Okay, ma'am, I got it. 4,75,320.
Wonderful. 4,75,320. Can you write number name?
Okay, ma'am.
Come on, please. Write number name. Do you know number names? How to write from lower classes, children? Please write it. I'm not going to take much time about this. Writing number names. Come on, quick, quick. 4 lakh. Come on, children. 4 lakh. 4 lakh. 4 lakh. 75,000. 4 lakh. 75,000.
300.
Yes. 75,000.
20.
75,320. 320. 300. 320. Come on, write down for all the numbers, children. Please write down all the numbers. Very first answer. Now the second question first. Harsha. Harsha,
Ma'am,
please can you insert commas and read the number?
ma'am, 98 lakhs,
Come on, very good. 98 lakhs. Very good.
47,215.
Please write down the number name for that number. Next one. Ashwath. Ashwath,
Yes, ma'am.
please C, bit C.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is 9 crore, 76
good.
lakh 45,310.
Very good. Very good. 9 crores. This is, you can, this is, you know, it's ones. This is thousands. This is
Ma'am, should we
thousands.
note
This
that
is
down, ma'am?
lakhs and crore. Down one I will give for other. Jaydeep. 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 Jaydeep, am I you there? Unmute and speak with me, Jaydeep.
Ma'am, he's stuck.
Maybe. Jaydeep, am I audible to you, Jaydeep? Maybe network network issue. Yeah, Lohini, can you please insert the commas for last number?
Okay, ma'am. The last number.
Yeah, last one.
Okay. Crores. 3 crores 4 lakhs 58,094.
Okay, wonderful, good. 3 crores. This is under lakh. This is under thousands. This is under ones. Yes, come on, children. Now you have to write the number names for all the numbers. Come on, quickly. Don't make mistakes, children. You're supposed to write thousands. Then come on, children, please write down. This is under lakh. This is under thousand. This is under ones. Now my question, children, once it is completed writing the number names for all the numbers, you have to mention which is the smallest number. Jaydeep? Jaydeep, am I audible to you, Jaydeep? The network issue, Jaydeep. Okay, children. Okay. Harsha? Harsha?
Ma'am,
Harsha, which is the largest, greatest number among these?
Ma'am, C1, ma'am, 9 crores 76 lakhs 45,310.
Can you say what is the reason?
Ma'am, because
How is yeah?
ma'am,
Yes,
because
come on.
in digits and the number so big, ma'am.
Very good. Suppose in D also we having same digits, same number of digits. But where you supposed to
Ma'am, but
compare?
3 is less number than 9, ma'am.
Slightly Harsha. Good. Yes. Yes, Ashwath, is it what is Harsha said is correct, Ashwath?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, because if we compare 9 and 3, 9 will be bigger, ma'am.
Yes, yes. See, even though since
Because both of the numbers have same periods and
yes,
same number of periods. So that is why we need to compare the largest period.
very good. Very good.
Then if the largest period is same, we need to again compare the second largest period.
Period. Very good. Next, which is the
Ma'am,
smallest? Yes, yes. Jaydeep?
ma'am, this is Jaydeep. My tablet was hanged, ma'am, so I
Yeah, yeah.
couldn't
Even
reply to the.
I'm thinking the same. Jaydeep is not responding something. Okay, maybe issue. Okay, Jaydeep. In what way can I help you, Jaydeep?
Ma'am, nothing, ma'am. I can
Oh,
reply to your questions now.
okay, right, Jaydeep. I can understand. Maybe child is not responding means so that I can understood some network issue happening or something. Okay, no problem. Here our question: the different numbers you supposed to insert commas according to Indian system of numeration, and you have to read the number, and you supposed to read the number name, and you supposed to compare those numbers which are largest and which is the smallest. These are the things happening. And now last question among these, you supposed to arrange the numbers in ascending order. What is ascending order, Jaydeep?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Jaydeep.
Ma'am, I'm not Jaydeep, ma'am. I'm
Harsha.
Harsha. Sometimes your voice is breaking, ma'am.
My voice, Harsha.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now it's clear, but sometimes it's
Okay,
breaking.
okay.
Same, ma'am.
Okay. Maybe sometimes a poor network issue. Because of that, it happens, children. Please try to follow. If you have any issue with the concept, please put IDK so that I can help you. Yes, Harsha. Yeah, which is the least number in this?
Ma'am, it's A1, ma'am.
Yes. Why it is A1? Can you give the reason? Like
Ma'am,
before Ashwath and Jaydeep gave. Yes, Ashwath gave.
ma'am, because in digits and comparing with it B1, it's less, ma'am.
Very good. Number of digits in the first one is having only we have six digit number compared to all other three numbers. It is having only 6 digit number. Rest all are having more than 6 digits. So that we can say this is the smallest number. Very good. And my question is, Lohini, can you arrange these numbers in ascending order? First of all, what is ascending order?
Small to big.
Very good. Small to bigger. It is very clear which is a smaller number. Just now, Harsha said the reason also. Hmm. Which is the first one we supposed to write?
The first one we were supposed
Ma'am
to
is four.
A.
A. Then
Then B, D, and C.
very good. Good. Come on, children. Please write in the book also. After completion of number names and inserting commas, reading your numbers. Your questions are the smallest number. The smallest number is smallest number is 4,75,320, and the largest one, or which is the greatest number? The greatest number is Greatest number is? What is the greatest number at first here?
9 crores 76 lakhs 45,310.
Very good. And can you arrange the ascending order? Ascending order. Come on, please. Ascending order.
Ma'am, can I tell descending order?
Yes. So quite reverse only, right?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, yes. I will give, or else in your chart box you put children. All the children, please put the chart so that I can see your chart. Who are giving first? Ascending and descending, both you're supposed to write. Please first you have to write ascending. Quite opposite descending. You can see the students giving answers. Good. Very quickly they are giving. Ascending want to be one or two. So if the number 4 lakh 755 number, then 9 lakh 98 lakhs 47,000, 98 lakhs 47,000, 47,200, then 3 crores 3 crores 3 crores 4 lakh 4 lakh means you're supposed to write 04 children. The number name also don't confuse. Once again, the number name you're supposed to write in that case. 4 lakh is supposed to write 04. 8,000, 9,000. Then last one, the greatest number is 9 crore. This is 40,000. Same way you supposed to sending on big, small, so that you have right reverse of the numbers. 9,76 lakh 8,000, which is greater than 3 lakh 4 lakh, which is greater than 98 lakhs 47,215, which is greater than 4 lakh 75,320. This is the descending order of the numbers. Shall I give you one more task for you then? You're supposed to do the read the numbers, write these numbers using placement boxes and using the commas, Indian as well as international system. Only we are doing Indian census before, and I'm going to give more for numbers. You have to write both Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. You need to insert commas for the numbers. You have to arrange in ascending and descending order. You're supposed to write the number names for both the systems.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes, ma'am. Ashwath. In the page number, same page number, you have second set of numbers. Read these numbers. Please, you see, what are the numbers? Can you please tell my dear Ashwath? What are the numbers?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 5,27,864, 95,432,
Yes.
and ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am. 1 crore 89 lakh 50,000 49,
good, good.
and 7 crore 2,509.
Very good, very good. The same procedure, any one of you international system, can you, Jaydeep, can you please, Jaydeep? Jaydeep.
Ma'am, I don't have the books, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Shall I write on the screen the numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, all you're supposed to download the PDF from your internet, children. This is NCERT textbook available. Anyone have PDF with you, children? Ashwit.
Ma'am, we can see this book at ncrt.nic.in, ma'am.
Yes.
If we search there in we can put mathematics and we can see which grade, and then we will find the book,
yes,
ma'am.
class 6 mathematics textbook. You can download from PDF from your Google children. Very good. Whatever you want, 6th class means
Ma'am, I'll
you can
send the
download.
link, ma'am. 1 minute.
Okay. Please share with your friends, children, so that they can also access the PDF from the source. Good. Anyway, I'll write the numbers on the screen. Meanwhile, please. The question is, children, you have to insert the commas in both Indian system as well as international system of numeration, and you have to arrange those in ascending and descending order. You have to write the number names. These are the 3 sets you have to do. First number is 527864, and the second number is 95432, 95432, and the CBT is 181895, 1895, 0049, 0049. The last one is 7000259. Come on, children, please. In both the system, both Indian system and international system, you have to insert commas so that you can write the number names in both the systems, and you can write arrange the numbers in ascending order as well as descending order. Yes, the same procedure. Please complete the task. This is your homework, children. Today you're supposed to do this. What you have to do, Lohini? Lohini, what is your homework today?
We have to write this in ascending and descending order.
Only one thing?
And arrange them and insert the commas in Indian and international system.
And only that? Write number names in both the systems.
Okay, ma'am.
Right, this is your task, children. Today this is the homework, and today little slow we are going because the first class, next classes onwards we will go little faster, children. This is the topic you already aware about this.
Ma'am?
Yes, and yes, children, you have page number 11. There is one more concept. Using them make 5-digit numbers like that. Yes, we will go with the next class. No need of running race. Okay. Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Harsha.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, can you tell me the homework again, ma'am?
Homework in second bit I gave numbers. You have to insert commas in both the systems. Both the systems means Indian system as well as international system, and write the number names in both the system, Indian system and international system. And the third one is you have to arrange them in ascending order. Fourth one is descending order. Arrange them in descending order. These are the 4 questions.
Okay, ma'am.
What are the things we are doing for previous one? The same thing you're supposed to write. Same thing.
Ma'am?
Yes. Yes, Harsha.
Ma'am, where you will post this recordings of classes, ma'am?
Classroom. I will post, ma'am. I will post in the classroom, or else our YouTube.
Ma'am, in WhatsApp.
Ma'am, in WhatsApp, ma'am.
WhatsApp, is it possible? I think videos can't be uploaded in WhatsApp. We have our Google Classrooms, Ashwath Reddy. I will just find out from sir. I will find out.
Ma'am, should I log in that, ma'am?
No, not yet prepared. Not yet a question. Google Classrooms are not yet. The classroom is not yet developed. Once classroom is ready, means each and every recording you can see from here. You can see from here. You can see from your Google Class only. So today I will upload in our YouTube channel. We have our channel, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you tell the channel name, ma'am?
Chanakya tutorial, Nana. Many you have up to need JEE 12th grade, till 12th grade, IIT JEE coaching also videos also available. You can see Chanukya tutorial, Nana. Chanukya tutorial. You just search it and you will get.
Ma'am, can we leave now?
Yes, yes. Why I can see the new student came very late today. Ratnam, are you there? Yadhar, Yadhar, Yadhar.
Yes, ma'am.
Why, ma? Today class is 5 to 6. Why you join now? Is any important work?
Ma'am.
You forget about the class. Yadhar? Okay, Yadhar,
Yes, ma'am.
I will upload this video in our channel so that you can see and practice the sums. The next class will meet you. Anyway, class is completed. The other students are waiting in the other class. Class 8 students are waiting. Children, please complete your homework and we will meet in the next class. When is our next class? Our next class is on Monday, I think so. Right.
Ma'am, do we have any test on Sunday?
Sunday, can you write in this chapter, basic chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to write, it is in quizzes only. I supposed to keep children, not like subjective test. You can write in quizzes because the more concepts are not covered, so that we can write in the test. I will inform in the group. If you have test platform is quizzes. In the chapter 1 only, basic chapter, what you learned in your previous classes, the same concepts only we will go with that.
Ma'am, can we leave?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, you can leave, children. Okay, children, bye. Take care. Have a nice day to you all. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Bye, children. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Yes, children. Bye. See you.